Hi, it's Scott with OrganiLock, and we're going to do something that we've never done before. First off, what we've never done is turn sand into soil, and we're about 9.5 weeks into this little project. I'm going to sacrifice one of these, and we're going to just open the bowl up. It's made of plastic, and we're going to just unpeel it, or open it up so we can see what that looks like. We see that it's dark on the outside. I have no idea what's going on the inside, so I'll try to keep from destroying the plant too much in the process, but in the end that's what's going to happen. So for fun of it too, you can see these others we need to be harvesting. I'm going to go ahead and get this one out of the way. It's not big enough to eat yet, but I'm just going to get it out of here. So as I lay this down, try to be nice to my leaves. I've got a little power tool here. I'm just going to literally zip this all the way around here and see if I can't lift it off and see what we've got going on. As I'm doing this, just a refresher, we had put some pine chips in the bottom just to keep the water from coming through. So you're going to see a little extra biomass here. This was all pure sand, and then the pellets got put in on the top. So now let's see what we have. All right, so I'm gonna have to go back over there and get a garden hose, but let's see what we have here. All right, well, we can see a lot of that darkness on the outside was from algae. So we're more of a sandy color in the middle. I'm gonna take a hose and I'm just gonna start washing it out and see what it looks like. See what the roots are doing. Okay, I'm going to stop there and make an observation. We're full of roots, but the roots made their way down to the biomass. So that's an indication that, like we've discovered in other ones, had I spread the biomass out in the sand, like put a small amount of mulch in there, that would have been advantageous, because that's where the roots need to exchange their nutrients. It's called cation exchange. So they did a good job of doing their thing up here where we actually had the pellets, and they jumped down here as well to where the biomass was. Biomass is a great exchange surface for nutrients. So let's go ahead and finish this up and see what it looks like. All right, so the roots traveled quite well throughout the whole thing. Oh, so much for that plant. Sorry, plant. Get that out of the way. It was a nice healthy plant. So just one big wad of roots that tended to congregate wherever it had the biomass to exchange its nutrients on. So did we actually begin the process of converting sand to soil? I would say yes. Grew quite well in there, and We just wanted to document what it looked like up inside there. So, till next time, next experiment, we'll see you later.